I'd like to show you how to run a heartbeat verification on an Anderson-Hauser Coriolis meter using the integrated web server. This is a Promass 100E model Coriolis meter from Anderson-Hauser, and you can run the heartbeat verification and communicate with it with a simple laptop computer. After you power up the Coriolis meter, you will take the top off and notice an Ethernet connection portal. Now this happens to be an Ethernet meter, so I've got a connection right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect that, and I'm going to plug in my RJ45 cable that I have connected to my laptop for communication to the Promass Coriolis meter. Take note of the IP address of the Coriolis meter, Promass 100, which is 192.168.1.212. I like to turn the wireless off on my laptop when I am using this operation. And then you will want to set your IP and subnet mask settings to 192.168.1.1 and 255.255.255.0. So let's do that. This is my network manager. You can see I already have them in here. So you could change these and hit apply. Now minimize that. And now you simply open up a web server in Explorer. Seems to work. And in the address bar, you're going to type the IP address of the Promass Coriolis meter, which is 192.168.1.212 and press enter. Now you see the communication screen with the Promass 100 Coriolis meter. You want to enter the access code 4685 and press enter. And now we're communicating with the meter. To run a heartbeat verification, you'll go to menu, and then you're going to drop down to the expert section under diagnostics, and drop further down and you see heartbeat. Let's open this up a little bit here so get a better view. So now you're going to click on perform verification. You'll need to enter this information, and after you enter each piece of information, you will need to push the enter key on the keyboard to make sure that it's saved. So the year is 15. February, it's already in there. Today's the 17th. p.m. 45 minutes. Okay, so we have the correct time. And now we're going to start the verification. So you click on start and you have to hit the enter key. Okay. And now you can see the Promass E100 Coriolis meter is performing the verification. You will not see any disruption in its operation during this process, and it will take about a minute. You can see it says busy at the bottom of the screen. So once completed, you'll see the status at the bottom of the screen say ready, and the verification is now ended. So how do we look at the results in a report? Then you go over to Data Management, and under Documents, you go to Verification Report. Here you could have your customer name entered. This is a test meter, so that's what I have in this particular one. You can see there's a set of results because there's been several verifications run on this particular meter. So we're going to look at the one with today's date, which is the 17th of February 2015, 12:45 p.m. The designation is day, then month, then year. So click on that one, and you have to hit the enter key, and then you click on Verification Report PDF, and there's the report. Scroll down through it, gives you all the information on the meter, the serial number, the K factor. The overall result was that the meter passed. On page 2, it has the groupings of diagnostics that were tested and whether they passed or not. Scroll back up. And from here you can click on Save a Copy and save this as a verification report in a PDF format. Once that's done, merely hit the backspace key, the web server, and you're back to communication with the Coriolis meter. So that's how you run a verification report on an Anderson-Hauser Promass 100 Coriolis meter. If you have any questions, please contact Anderson-Hauser 1-888-INDRIS. Thank you.